before we even continue this video, I just want to pause and say how much I'm feeling this color. Like, it's a vibe. It's definitely a vibe. I'm not even finished styling the hair and I'm just like, this hair is off the chain. Like, it's so bomb and it looks so good already. The hair looks so good, and this is the hair in its natural state. So to style, like I said, I didn't style the hair yet, so I'm just gonna take my curling wand. Now, I did get this from DUVOLLE.com. Like about a year ago, I know I had a discount code for them, which you did get 70% off. I'm not too sure if it still works to this day, but literally when I purchased this, because they sent me a flat iron, which I no longer have, but they sent me a flat iron, and afterwards I did purchase this with my own money, so this was not sent. And it came with a set of 4 pieces, and in total it was $170, I believe, for the entire set, but with my discount code it came down to literally $50 something. So I have a 70% off discount code for you guys. I will link it down below if it still works. I'm not too sure if it does. I used it about 4 months ago and it was still working, so I am gonna check, and if it does work I will leave it listed down below for you guys. If not, I do apologize. I'm sorry, you guys missed out. But yeah, so I'm just gonna part the hair in like big sections, and I'm just gonna curl it with the curling wand. I don't have like the patience to like a lot of small sections. I usually never do, so I'm just gonna do like really big pieces. Understand how obsessed I am with this hair. Like, this is giving me so much life right now. The color, everything, just the length, just everything. This hair is absolutely beautiful, and I honestly could not be happier. I'm just gonna read you guys the details on this hair really quick. So this hair is from Supernova Hair. This hair is their 99J body wave lace front wig, and the density of this wig that I got is a 180, which you obviously could tell. Like, just by looking at this hair, you can tell like it's really full, it's really thick and nice. The hair is really thick and full, so I'm really liking that. So the length that I got this hair in is a 20-inch, and it does reach me to like right below my boobs. Now I'm just gonna tell you guys what I like and what I didn't like about this unit. So first thing first, the hair came super quick. The shipping on this hair took about 3 to 5 business days. Really fast shipping. So far since I installed the hair, I haven't got any shedding or any tangling so far. The hair is thick throughout the entire unit, so I really like that. You know, usually sometimes it'll be like, oh, it's 180 density, but it'll be like only thick like from the roots to like maybe midway through the wig, and then like the ends will be really thin. This one, it's not like that at all. The hair is thick like throughout the entire unit, so I'm really liking that. Okay, I think I spoke about the shedding too fast because I just like ran my fingers through it, and I did get like a 1-2 strand come out, so I would say that the shedding is minimal so far. The hair does not have any scent to it. It doesn't smell like any chemicals or anything, and I'm actually surprised because being that the hair is like a burgundy color, obviously they had to bleach this hair and color it. I'm not sure if they had to bleach it, but I know they definitely had to add chemicals to it to achieve this color. So I'm actually surprised that it has like no smell. The hair has absolutely no smell to it, so I'm really impressed with that. Another thing that I was really surprised about, I don't know if you guys like caught on to it or not, but like the lace was looking so white. At first I thought that it was just not gonna blend into my skin at all because it just looks so white. Like usually some lace are like translucent or some is like grayish, but this, I've never seen like a lace this color before. It was really light. Where's the piece that I cut off? I wish I could find it right now. I can't find a piece that I cut off, but the lace itself was like kind of whitish, But what I did notice was when I put it against my skin, you cannot see it. Like, it literally looked translucent. But just like looking at the lace itself, it looked white. But once you put it against your skin, like, it blends right in with your skin. So I did not have to add any powders, any foundation at all to the lace. Usually I always do like in the front there just to blend it in really well. But today, because I don't know what kind of lace that was, but because of the color of the lace itself, I did not have to do anything to it. It just like blended right into my skin. I didn't have to add any powders or any foundation to my lace today. It just blended right in with my skin. The only thing is I did add some concealer in the part in space there, just so that looks like a real scalp. Not a real scalp, but like a real part in space. Besides all that, the hair is true to length. I don't have any complaints with this hair. This wig is gorgeous, you guys, and I do love how thick and full it is, and it looks so bomb. And also, I forgot to mention that the lace does come pre-plucked for you, so very minimal work when it comes to installing the frontal itself. All you really have to do is lay down the baby hairs and yeah, style the wig to your desired style, and that is it. So if you guys are interested in this wig, I will have all the details listed down below in the description box on where you can purchase this wig. Besides all that, thank you guys for tuning back in for another wig tutorial with me, and don't forget to like, share, comment down below. Let me know how are you guys feeling this wig. What are your thoughts on it? And as usual, I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.